All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving headfirst into a massive transformation that's completely reshaping how we live, how we work, and how we earn. You see, the rules of work, income, and independence, they fundamentally shifted for 2026. If you've been sitting there feeling like the old ways of doing business are suddenly broken, believe me, you're not alone. We are right in the middle of a major paradigm shift. So, the rules of work have fundamentally changed. Are you ready for 2026? Because it is absolutely time to shatter the illusion of the traditional 9 to 5, and honestly, that exhausting, nonstop hustle culture we've all been sold for years. The world has moved on. We're looking at a brand new era where predictable income, remote flexibility, and intelligent automation are the new baseline. So, you've really got to ask yourself, is your career future-proof? Now, to really grasp the financial stakes here, consider this projected number. $800 billion. That is the expected valuation of the global creator economy by the early 2030s, and it's growing at a massive 22.7% compound annual rate. But here's the real kicker. That money isn't flowing to the same places it used to. It's quickly moving into owned platforms, independent businesses, and highly specialized skills. Okay, let's dive into this first big shift, the rise of the independent enterprise. What we're seeing now is that individual creators, consultants, and digital nomads are operating not just as freelancers anymore, but as full-scale independent businesses. The old economy, it was a total grind. It was all about chasing viral reach, relying on completely unpredictable sponsorships, and inevitably crashing into massive burnout. Today, it's about paid communities, predictable monthly recurring revenue, or MRR, and emotional safety. It's a complete 180 from those transactional, scale-at-all-costs models to deep relational, subscription-based engagement. And the numbers back this up perfectly. Recent data from Circle reveals a massive shift. 88% of community builders and creators now rely on paid memberships as their primary monetization method. Think about that, almost 9 out of 10. They are prioritizing stability first and foremost. Things like one-off sponsorships and volatile ad revenue, they're shrinking into the background, making up just a tiny little slice of the pie. Rachel Starr, the founder of Co-Creator Society, really hit the nail on the head here. She says, the people I'm working with are moving away from chasing bigger member numbers. They're charging more and offering a higher level of service in return. The smartest operators out there are intentionally limiting their audience size. Sometimes they're capping it completely. They're focusing on higher touch, transformational experiences rather than just shouting into the void of social media algorithms. Depth over scale is absolutely the new mantra. Which brings us to our next major shift. AI as your coworker and automating the grind. Look, if you're going to run an independent enterprise and focus on these high-touch experiences, you simply cannot get bogged down by the daily operational grind. That's exactly where artificial intelligence steps in, not as a replacement for human connection, but as your absolute most efficient colleague. Data from CommuniPass ranks paid communities at the absolute top for monthly recurring revenue potential, but right behind them, paid challenges and AI agents. Meanwhile, the old reliables like sponsorships and affiliate income are dropping fast. AI search is eroding those affiliate clicks, and the market is just demanding something much more stable. Scalable, community-driven models and AI-assisted tools are completely dominating the landscape. So let's clearly define what we mean by AI agents in this context. Tools like Guru AI allow creators to take their specialized knowledge and package it right into a custom chatbot. You deploy it on platforms your audience is already hanging out on, like WhatsApp or Instagram, and you charge a monthly subscription for 24/7 personalized access. You are literally cloning your expertise. It saves creators anywhere from 8 to 12 hours a week on routine questions, all while building a passive recurring revenue stream. It's essentially scalable expertise. But hey, a quick word of caution here, 32% of consumers actually view AI as negatively disrupting the creator economy. Authenticity is absolutely vital. People are naturally skeptical of purely AI-generated content. So AI really needs to be used behind the scenes for operations, support, summarizing data, and managing your workflows. It should never be used to replace the genuine human connection and strategic insight that you're actually paying for. And this isn't just happening for solo creators. It's totally transforming the B2B and corporate world too. Think about the old corporate grind. Manual CV hunting, copying and pasting project credentials over and over, repetitive formatting for proposals. All of that is being replaced by AI proposal automation. Platforms like Flowcase use centralized content libraries to generate tailored drafts at incredible scale. AI is stepping in as the great equalizer, taking the tedious, soul-crushing work out of the equation so professionals can actually focus on strategy. The workflow here is actually super simple. First, you connect your content library to give the AI a single source of truth. Then, you let the system generate those tailored drafts based on specific client requirements. Finally, a human reviews and refines it. This is the perfect partnership, right? AI provides the incredible speed, but humans provide that crucial strategic review and relationship context. Neither one works quite as well on its own. All right, let's move on to the skills you actually need. High-income skills for 2026. So, what does all this mean for your daily routine? Well, in an ecosystem where AI is handling all the repetitive tasks, you've got to elevate your skill set to thrive. According to the Global Skill Development Council, top tech skills right now include cybersecurity and ethical hacking, right alongside cloud computing and DevOps, which is all about seamlessly bridging software development and IT operations. You also desperately need prompt engineering and agentic AI certification. That means mastering how to manage and direct those autonomous AI agents we talked about. These highly specialized skills are basically the architecture of our new digital world, and they definitely cannot be replaced by basic automation. But listen, it's definitely not all about coding. You have to balance that tech proficiency with some essential non-tech skills. We're talking digital marketing and growth strategy, creative problem solving, leadership, and financial and investment analysis. AI might be able to hand you a brilliant data analysis, sure, but you need these uniquely human soft skills to turn those outputs into actual tangible business value and to lead a team to execute that vision. And mastering these skills, it unlocks an incredible lifestyle. The 2026 digital nomad isn't just someone backpacking with a laptop anymore. They've got multiple income streams and asynchronous workflows, meaning they don't even have to be online at the exact same time as their clients. This allows for true location independence that actively prioritizes mental well-being. By combining these high-income skills with AI efficiency, professionals can secure stable, global income from literally anywhere in the world without sacrificing their health to the hustle. So let's wrap this all up. It's time to build your 2026 playbook, focusing on ownership and agility. Let's pull all these threads together into a real actionable strategy. Here is your 2026 paradigm playbook. First up, prioritize predictable, recurring revenue over viral hits. We have to stop chasing the algorithm. Second, use AI for the operational grind, but keep the humans front and center for strategy and true connection. Third, continuously master those high-income tech and soft skills so you stay way ahead of the automation curve. And finally, control your own platform and audience access. Own your community, own your data, and you'll own your future. As we finish up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final pretty provocative thought. In the economy of 2026, are you building an audience or are you building an asset? Because an audience, that can disappear overnight with a single algorithm update. But an asset, a dedicated community, a highly specialized skill, a perfectly automated workflow, that builds compounding value over time. Thank you so much for joining me today. Really think about that question and go start building your asset today.